Now we're going to get into general liability. It's the most common coverage in business insurance. It's also probably widely misunderstood. What is general liability? Many small business owners have a general liability insurance coverage to help protect their companies. You may be asking yourself, what does general liability cover? So it covers costs for property damage claims against your business, medical expenses if someone gets injured at your company, not an employee, that falls under work comp, administrative costs to handle covered claims, and court costs, judgments, and settlements for covered claims. One of those being bodily injury. So general liability coverage can help pay for medical expenses associated with a bodily injury that your business may have caused, like a customer slipping and falling. Again, this would be a customer coming to your place of business and getting injured. If an employee got injured due to a slip and fall, that falls under workers' compensation. Personal injury. General liability can help pay for business defense costs if you're sued for personal injury, like libel or slander. That could be you marketing an ad against a competitor. That falls under personal injury, not to be confused with bodily injury. The dangers of not having general liability. State laws generally don't require you to carry general liability insurance. However, not having coverage could put your business at financial risk. You may also find that businesses will want to make sure that you have the minimum coverage they require before agreeing to do work with you. You see this more on a B2B, business to business, when they see a contract. Everybody wants you to have general liability. If you have a bank loan, such as an SBA, you'd be required to carry general liability. They want to make sure that your business can survive a liability claim and continue to do work with you or the work they hired you to do. So they may ask you to provide this coverage, also known as a certificate of liability insurance. What does GL not cover? Okay, so here's the thing. It's called general liability, but it doesn't cover generally everything. Be aware that general liability insurance doesn't cover every kind of claim. For some, you'll need different types of coverage to give your business more protection. Commercial auto accidents that you or your employees cause while driving for work, a commercial auto insurance policy can help you cover the cost of damages. That would not fall under general liability. Be aware that many states require certain types and amounts of auto coverage, like bodily injury liability or property damage liability. I always state with every business owner, don't look to see what the states recommend, because usually it's not enough or generally incorrect. What does GL not cover? Continued employee injuries or illnesses due to their work. Workers' compensation insurance gives your employee benefits to help them recover from a work-related injury or illness. For example, it can help cover an employee's medical bills and ongoing care and expenses. Damage to your own business property. You'll need to get a commercial property insurance policy for that. We're going to go over that in a later slide.